Good evening, everybody. I just wanted to share a video of what I used to make a window well cover of my own for my basement window. You're gonna need about 15-20 feet of that, a couple of sheets of this stuff here. Get it all at Home Depot or Lowe's. I had made one out of some spare wood around the house. It worked okay, but water got through a lot, and one really bad rainy day I got a little bit of flooding in the basement. Luckily it was just a little puddle, but anyway, after all said and done, this is how it looks. So it came out okay. I mean, you can't tell by looking at it, but that is 2 sheets thick. I wouldn't stand on it. It might hold a little kid. It is hinged at the back, so it will flip up, but I'm not sure if you can tell by looking up close. You know, it's got 3 bars across, just a bunch of bolts and nuts and bolts, and I bent the bars all the way around, and that's pretty much it. Came out all right. It cost me about $80-90 altogether, but that's it.